It is happy hour. 100% girls' rational happiness.
Have you seen the sneak peek of Reina's merch collection? Have you decided on what to do with your own merch? Keeping them in a box or displaying it on shelves? No matter what your choice is, you'll surely want to keep them in good condition. Don't worry, Chingu, we're here to help you. Here are our tips on how to properly care for your most precious K-pop merch. Tip number 1. Place your merch in one area only. Just like how Reina keeps your merch in one area, it would be helpful to do the same. Not only will it be easier for you to find what you're looking for, but you'll also get to protect your merch from other outside factors that may damage your precious items. Keeping it in a place where you have control over things will prolong the good condition of your merch. Tip number 2. Keep them in a cool and dry place. Do you have photo books, season's greetings, and concert program books? These merch are usually bound by strong glues to keep them intact. Storing them in a hot and humid place will eventually melt the glue and cause the pages to be separated from each other. Keeping them in a cool and dry place will save your photo books from falling apart. Tip number 3. Keep your merch dust-free. If you've decided to display them on open shelves, dust will surely be inevitable. To keep your merch from wearing out easily, it's important to keep them dust-free. You may use clear plastics or cling wrap so that you'll still be able to see what's inside, or you may just dust them off from time to time using a feather duster or a clean dry cloth. Tip number 4. Take out the batteries from your light sticks. If you won't be using your light sticks for a long time and you'll just be storing or displaying them on your shelves, be sure to remove the batteries first. Light sticks usually use alkaline batteries to operate, and when this type of batteries get older, they tend to leak. This may damage the conductive metal in your light stick that makes it work. Tip number 5. Keep them away from children or pets. If you have younger siblings who still need supervision, or pets who might get a little bit more playful at times, you might want to keep your precious merch away from them. Make sure that you put them in a place that is not easily within their reach. If you also have concert souvenirs like concert tickets, show royalty IDs and straps, banners and freebies you received from fellow fans, here are some more tips. Tip number 6. Use a clear binder or photo frame to keep your concert tickets. And if you're the type who's really sentimental and keeps concert tickets, you might have been worried that text printed on your tickets will fade through time. Don't worry, because here's a solution. You may use a binder or photo album with clear plastic to keep them together, or put them in a photo frame to keep them away from dust or heat. Tip number 7. Hang show IDs and straps or keep them safely in a box. For your show royalty IDs and straps, you may hang them on rods and display them on your walls, or keep them in a box along with your other concert merch like banners, confetti, and other freebies from fellow fans. Just make sure to label them accordingly with the show title and date to help you identify them easily. Just a reminder, being a fan does not depend on how much merch you own. You may not have much, but if you'll take care of them, it can still serve as an inspiration for you to keep on supporting your idols. So there you have it, Ripples. These are just some of the tips you may follow to keep your merch in perfect condition. After all, you used your hard-earned money and maybe months' worth of allowance to purchase these items. So let's make it more worth it by taking good care of it. And don't forget, be splendid, be extra, she's happy!